Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is James Orton. I'm at BMW Crystal Lake today with a pre-delivery inspection on a 2026 BMW X640. Now this is headed to Miami, so I'm going to do a pre-delivery inspection, make sure there's no visual noise to the new owner. With that, hope you enjoy the video. I'd like to thank Devin, the BMW genius at BMW Crystal Lake, for helping me obtain this in another inventory and bring it right here to deliver it from BMW Crystal Lake. First thing I like to do is check the door handle around here for people opening and closing. Also to your X5s, X3s, X6s, you'll have this rust inhibitor come out of the bottom of the doors. That's normal, but again, I don't want any visual noise to the new owner. I usually always find dust on top of the steering column. Always check the mirrors for smudges. That one looks good. Another common spot for smudges, this control panel here for the iDrive and BMW curved display. We did apply ceramic to the exterior and a treatment for the interior, protecting it from things getting soaked in to the upholstery or stained. I mean, not too many people would notice this right here, but since it's in the sunlight, I can take care of that. You can see it better. Here you can see the black sapphire doing what it does with the metallic flake. And then after application of the Silajet, the ceramic on the outside and then the interior treatment, it actually makes it look more stunning and more rich of a texture to the seats, a little bit more shiny than regular, and then it treats it. Detail department, put the nice vacuum lines in here. Got storage in the front bracket. Just like that right there. Bothers me. Maybe we'll go unnoticed, but there you go. And got a little salt right there. It's below freezing here in Chicagoland. This X6 has got 375 horsepower on a beautifully balanced chassis. So great handling and performance. If you didn't see it already, you've got your rust inhibitor coming out of the bottom of the door. Check the interior there. Yeah, the application of the interior protection just makes it look that much more rich as far as the texture and design of the leather. So that way, if spilled upon, easier cleanup, kind of like Scotch guarding your things you want protected. Mirror check. I did already put the books together, but I think I'll go a step further and laminate the window sticker. So a 2026 BMW X6 xDrive 40 coming to $83,000. B58 engine, God's mom of engines. Excellent handling, great looking vehicle, nice and sleek, and perfectly balanced chassis. Also too, no maintenance to worry about for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. Last thing I'll do on this one is check underneath the hood. You can see already some of the salt. I'd hate for the new owner to open this and have that there, so I'm gonna go just see what I got left in this rag. these are details that the new owner might not even care about or ever see or ever open the hood, but it would bother me if I took a peek under there and it didn't seem like it was cared for or came from a place that cared. Now, after messing with the engine bay, I will not use the same microfiber on the body, just in case there's any chance that a metal shaving or anything off the body, any type of metal, would go back on the paint. That's not going to be a good situation. So I'm going to change out the microfiber, come back, and then just touch up the grill. Alright, back with a new microfiber. Let's touch this up. No front bracket on this.